A not so subtle Shelby monster that looks like it eats hatchbacks for breakfast. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 2019 Shelby F-150 Super Snake. The model is a 1/18th scale, detailed here with giant characters, manufactured by GT Spirit, and the part number is GT824. The box is pretty big, nothing to see on the outside, so let's dig in. So right off the bat, you can kinda see how heavy this thing is. As usual, in most, if not all, the GT Spirits I have in my collection, the wheels are not steerable, and they barely move. The color combination is great, the paint job is good, and the graphics are well made. The spare tire under the truck bed is a nice touch. I like the clean finishing of this model. The actual F-150 Super Snake is powered by a supercharged Ford V8, producing 755 horsepower, and it costs just under $100,000 US. It's not exactly cheap. Let's put it on the turntable and see how it looks. The Ford and Shelby emblems are detailed. You can clearly see there are no openings on this model, but it would have been nice. The emblems on the back are also well made. See, I know this is a resin model and the bed cover won't open, but I tried it anyway. The front windows are clear, but the rear ones are tinted. I took some photos of this thing, and here they are.
Okay, let's go.
First impressions? So here it is. I'm impressed. But I genuinely wish this had openings because it's especially important on larger models. The Ford racing stripes look awesome and they stretch the right way. You can find this item on eBay or many diecast resellers' websites. Prices vary, of course, but if I remember correctly, retail on this item was around $150 US. And that's that.